There was some this thing. Whenever there is a ticket distribution, there is a bound to be resentment because there are the claimants, and it is quite natural. There will be spontaneous reaction. But you have seen yesterday that while filing the nomination, Mr. Ramakant Khalab himself was present, Mrs. Sangeeta Parab, and along with her husband, they were present. And see the amount of people present in yesterday's. Our entire workers was present for Babi's filing nomination. Same thing now. Vijay was the only person who has kept the party, afloat in Mapsa. So his block and his entire booth committee is already on the field. But right now, the entire party's cadre's goal is to defeat BJP. There is no compromise as far as our party cadre is concerned. Our party cadre always has gone on the line of the party, and they have understand the present scenario. What is happening in Goa? The anger that is frustrated among the people is also known to the party. So I don't think that there is any resentment still among the party workers. Of course, yes, when the tickets are announced, it happens. But later on, everyone has said that right now what we need is the defeat of BJP in Goa because they have gone against the people. एक MLA 5 वर्सां इलेक्ट केल्लो आसता. 5 वर्सांक जेन्ना तुका इलेक्ट करता, तूं तेका पैसे दिता आनी तेका राजीनामा दिवन घेता. इलेक्शन लादला. काँग्रेस पक्षान दोनी खंयच इलेक्शन लादलें ना. शिरोडाय काँग्रेसीन इलेक्शन लादलें ना, मांद्राय काँग्रेसीन इलेक्शन लादलें ना. मॅन्डेट हो काँग्रेसचे फेवर आशिल्लो. तो मॅन्डेटाच्या अगेन्स्ट गेल्याक BJP. आमदार फोडल्या BJPन. सो काँग्रेसीचे हें खंय आसा?